There are a few different options that you can choose from when you are selecting your trading chart software. In this video, I'm going to share an honest review for the chart software Tradingview and how they can help you as a trader. Also, make sure that you stick around until the end if you want to find out about some amazing offers that are available with Tradingview. Let's get right into it. What is Tradingview? With over 10 million traders and investors using Tradingview, it's easy to see why. Tradingview have a wide range of features that will help you to get better at trading and investing, including the world's best charts, sharing financial data, incorporating some in-depth technical analysis tools, such as over 100 pre-built indicators, over 50 drawing tools, multi-time frame analysis, custom indicator templates, and so many more technical analysis tools. Tradingview also use PineScript. So if you are comfortable with computer programming, PineScript allows you the freedom to write and share your own technical analysis indicators and strategies. Tradingview also allow you to use powerful alerts so that you never miss a trade. And one of the most unknown aspects of Tradingview is that it is actually the largest social network online for traders and investors, allowing you to explore and share your own trade ideas as well as chatting with other traders online. Tradingview gives access to the global markets. It is connected to hundreds of data feeds with access to stocks, futures, major indices, Forex, Bitcoin, and CFDs, as well as economic calendars and financial data. Finally, Tradingview have flexible screeners which allow you to filter assets based on your specific criteria. For example, you can search for the cheapest company that have made the most money in the previous month. This makes it really easy to find assets that may have potential trading opportunities. Why did I join Tradingview? I initially started with Tradingview about 2 years ago. I started Tradingview with the free trial for only about 2 weeks until I decided to upgrade to the Pro Plus plan, which is what I am currently still using today. This is because I wanted access to all of the great features that come with the Pro Plus subscription. I do have a link in the description below if you want to find out more about Tradingview's plans, or if you want to subscribe to their free trial, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Why did I sign up to Tradingview? To begin with, Tradingview was actually one of the cheapest platforms that I found that provided the features that I needed to trade on a daily basis. And my original intention as a beginner trader was to keep my costs very low to help me to learn and grow without having so many big expenses to pay out. However, after being with Tradingview for about 2 years now, I find the cost of their software totally worth it. And I feel that you definitely get a lot of value for the money. One of the perks to Tradingview is that they run an amazing annual sale for Black Friday. It was actually around this time 2 years ago that I originally signed up for Tradingview, and in the middle towards the end of November they run an annual Black Friday sale which offers some really amazing discounts on their yearly and monthly packages. If you are watching this video not long after it's been published, you should definitely check out Tradingview for their Black Friday offers. If you're thinking about signing up, then now is definitely the time because you can really save yourself some money. If you're watching this at a later date, then no worries. Make the most of this amazing software. But when November does come around, make a note to yourself to check out their website so that you can utilise the amazing offers as well. Now, I absolutely love this platform, and quite honestly, it's difficult to only think of a couple of advantages to share with you, but I'm going to choose what I think are some of the best highlights of this software. So firstly, I find Tradingview to be super easy to use. The user interface is extremely clever and it has such a nice layout. The user experience is very enjoyable because it's just so easy to use, whether you are a beginner or an advanced trader, and whether you're familiar with computers or not, they make it quite simple to use the software. The charts are extremely responsive and it just makes it a very fun piece of software to use. And my second advantage of Tradingview that I particularly enjoy is the watch list. And that's because it's very easy to access the assets that I'm potentially going to trade. I can carry out my analysis and Tradingview will save all of my progress. So it's very easy to manage, it's very easy to come back to and find trades and pick up where I was before. So if you have a very busy lifestyle, the watch list feature just makes it a lot easier to trade. And as always, let's have a look at some of the disadvantages with Tradingview. I found this quite hard to come up with some disadvantages because I just genuinely really enjoy Tradingview. But if I had to come up with some disadvantages, then here they are. Firstly, depending on what you want to trade, you may need to pay a little bit more for data subscriptions. So for example, when I first started with Tradingview, I was trading the stock market in America. So I had to pay out an additional monthly fee to access real-time data for the New York Stock Exchange. Now this was only about an extra $2 a month, but it's something to be aware of because it can increase your monthly plan. So it's why I've just included it here as a disadvantage. And secondly, the broker integration is something that might change over time, but as it stands today, when I'm creating this video, you can use Tradingview together with selected brokers so that you can trade on the Tradingview platform, which is great. However, this is also quite a limitation because it's limited to a small collection of brokers, which is why I've shared it here in disadvantages. So just to conclude with you on this Tradingview review, Tradingview is so much more than a chart software. Yes, we have technical analysis, we have a screener so that we can find different assets to trade. Tradingview have an amazing watch list feature. They provide economic news and they also have an economic calendar. You can set alerts and you can even integrate your broker. And finally, Tradingview allows you to connect with other traders and investors through their social network platform. Tradingview is a very clever and easy user experience, so it's great for both beginners or advanced traders. There are different memberships available, so it does make it accessible based on your budget. So you can start with a free trial and a very limited use of features, or they have different subscriptions where you can access a variety of different features. As I said before, I'm currently with the Pro Plus plan, which has everything that I need to day trade Forex on a daily basis. Tradingview is a very affordable platform for trading and investing, and it doesn't compromise on its features. Be sure to check out the link below if you want to get some more information or if you want to try Tradingview for yourself. As I said earlier, if you're catching this video not long after it's been released, you might be able to catch some amazing deals from Black Friday, so I definitely encourage you to check that out. If you want some more information on Tradingview, I do have a video link floating around somewhere where you can access a tutorial, so it just gives you a general tour of the features on the software. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button below, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe below. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye!